Hi guys, first received this really big box that comes with a coffee table that I received for reviewing purposes, which I think it's gonna be really nice. Once when we open the box, we can see that it has an amazing wood finish, and I think the color is amazing. So let's take everything out of the box and start assembling it. Okay, it comes with the assembly instructions, so let's go ahead and start. As you can see, the installation is really easily, and what I like about this coffee table is that it is child friendly and easy to clean because it's really polished and smooth without any burrs, and it doesn't have any sharp corners, so any kid can be hurt, which I think it's really nice. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already assembled up. I think it's really nice. These parts can slide, so you can select which part of your coffee table you want to have open, which I think is really nice. And overall, I like it a lot. It has an amazing color and a really nice finish. It feels of a very nice quality, and it's really easy to assemble. It doesn't take that much long, and I think it's really nice. It feels really sturdy, and overall, I like it a lot, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.